Hello everyone, look at this two material. Today I'm going to show you a very easy way to make a bouquet by using these two material. First of all, take a branch of gladiolus. Look at this gladiolus. I got it from a factory. The leaf made of plastic and there are iron wire inside. So we can bend and make shape. The quality is good, so recommend. Of course, making this bouquet, you can use the real leaf and real flower. Okay, anyway, bend it like this. Okay, now we bend every leaf and hold on the bottom. Since the leaves are all together in one side, so we need to adjust the direction of the leaves to make sure every leaf are around the bouquet. Just adjust a little will be okay. Okay, then use the elastic thing and tie it. Okay, then since there are iron wire on every leaf, so we can adjust and bend the leaf to make it larger. Make it round. Look. Okay, look. We bend the leaf to make it round and larger. Then the next step, just put on our tulip. Okay, so complete it. Use the elastic to tie them tightly. Then apply some hot glue and take a ribbon to wrap them together. Okay, look, I didn't wrap it very well because mainly I just try to show you how to make the bouquet like this. And this you can wrap it. Wrap with the ribbon or other fabric and adding some decoration on this page will be okay. That will be very easy. Okay, look, let's check the effect. Look. I don't know how to show it. Look, if you have more tulip to decorate on this place, the come out will be much more pretty. But since I do not have enough tulip on hand, anyway, for your information, we supply almost all the material used on our video. If you are interested to order, inbox me via Facebook page. You can find the link to my page from the information field below this video. Okay, I put it on a wax so we can check it again. Like this. Look. Okay, completed with the bridal bouquet. Let's spend a little time to make the bouquet for the bridesmaid. First of all, let's separate the leaf. Look. Look, I separate the leaf. And then take our tulip. I think I will take 5 tulips. Take a long leaf. Obviously, the leaf not long enough, so in fact we can remove some leaves. But anyway, since I will use the tulip for my other project, there's no rule to make it. This is my first time to make the bouquet. Okay, I take 1 tulip and remove the leaf. Adding. Just try all we can do to make it pretty. Another leaf. Okay, I think it's okay. Okay, then use the elastic and tighten it. Since there are iron wires inside, so we can bend to make the sheen. Okay. Also, use some hot glue and the ribbon red on the bouquet. Okay, completed. Okay, now let's check the effect. This is the bouquet for the bridesmaid. The back side. If you want it more, you can add more flowers. Okay. Okay, this is today's tutorial. I need your support by thumb up, share, and comment on the video so that I can get revenue from YouTube to buy more material and take more video. Thank you for your watching. Bye.